Some of you have asked if I'm expecting, and yes, I'm expecting to vaccinate pigeons today. Robertson Family Racing Pigeons, James here. Hope this finds everybody doing well, as always. So, clearly, you can see what I'm up to. I've got this current round. Might be my last round, might not be. Actually, for most pairs, it is my last round. But I'm going to do a few special breedings. I know some of you guys have expressed interest in getting some youngsters off of me as late hatches, so there will be some available. Some of these will probably be available. So stay tuned. But for now, time to get some vaccinations done. Here we go. And it actually goes pretty quick with my method. And if you're wondering, yes, I am wearing my hoodie. And yes, I will be using the hoodie method. Good question. Those who are new to the hoodie method, here's how it works. First, get a hoodie. Second, get a bird. Third, get your vaccines ready to go. Then, stick one arm through, get the bird in like this. Just gently keep their feet back and then just guide him through so that just his head is sticking out like that. And then I kind of have him contained. It's kind of nice. And when I'm sitting, my legs are like this and I can just kind of like keep them like that. Just nice and easy work. So, basically, I just give him a few sprays. You can use water or alcohol, rubbing alcohol. First one. See if we make so you guys can see. Oh yeah, there's the skin showing right there. Stick that in. There we go. 0.25. Put my finger over it. Next one. PMV. We can do that over on the other side. There we go. It's part of his neck right there. Boom. There he is. He's done. All right, and here's the little spreadsheet that I've showed you guys before. So this is just where I track all of my young birds that I breed, and as soon as I band them, I go ahead and enter in the band and the pair that they're out of. But this is also where I track their vaccinations and other little notes that I want to take about each bird. So it's a pretty handy way to track your birds. And I just access this on my phone. It's a Google spreadsheet. Pretty darn handy. One thing I do when I vaccinate the birds is this is kind of the first time when I assess their physical traits. So it's a good opportunity to do that. Take the time to quickly look at each youngster, kind of assess various physical strengths, weaknesses that each bird may have. And then I take note of that on that spreadsheet. This one's good. I really don't know which pair this one is out of. I'll have to look it up. Got pretty good balance. Vents are a little bit wide for it, and there is like a full finger width between the end of the keel and the vents. But we'll see. But oh boy, I like it. Yes, I do. I like it a lot. What a beauty. That's a gorgeous bird. I can tell it has good balance. Single pintail. That's great. All right, so look, this does not have to take long. It goes pretty quick. One more time, I'll show you. I just stick my hand through, go like this. Keep the feet back if I can. Guide him through. His little head pops out. You kind of put him up against your leg. Now look, I got both my hands right there. Give him a spray. Do salmonella on one side, PMV on the other side. And ivermectin drops kind of back where I didn't spray. Behind that wet portion. We're done. Easy peasy. Oh, yes. I have not looked in on these babies in here for several days, so let's take a look. Not these guys, but the ones down under. And I'm not talking about Australia. Shout out to all my viewers in Australia though, right? Oh man, they are gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful birds. There's Dad ready to feed them, and Mom. All right, you guys, I'll get out of your way. I'm about halfway done here. Hey, buddy. Should we do you next? Yeah? Okay. Oops. All right, this one is 159. Beautiful little grizzle. Whoa. She's ready to go. Or he. No idea. Feisty boy. How's your balance? Huh, that's good balance. That's a beauty. Really buoyant. Really lightweight. Still lots of muscle, but super buoyant. Light as a feather. Clearly wants to take to the sky. Look at that guy. Off of Tucson and the Aztec. Beautiful, beautiful bird. Oh dang. I like this one a lot. Wow. This is a holy cow. Holy cow. Packed with muscle. I mean, really, just beautifully packed. And vents are good. Keel's good, short arm bone. Wowzers. I don't even have to do the balance test. I already know. You know, when a bird has super good balance, you don't have to pull its legs apart and go like this. It's just there. You can tell it has a super strong tail, super tight tail. Wowzers. It's my favorite one so far. Right there. Off of Greg Rocket's imports. Birds that were imported by my partner Abdi Alpino. Oh boy. We may have to send you to Florida to race. 160. That is a beautiful bird. Chihuahua. That's a big beefy boy. Nestmate to that last black check out of Tucson and little Aztec. totally trembling in my hand. And just a big, nice bird. Big but nicely built. His flight feathers are still coming in. You can see that. Last one, last but not least, 155. All right, new favorite, right there. Holy cow. That is a beauty. Griffin, Aztec turquoise. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful bird. I'm gonna guess this one's gonna be a cock. Outstanding. Love that pair. Yeah, just fantastic. We gotta start crossing these onto my Namelka birds. There's 836. And that's the youngster that got beat up. We had some great name suggestions for that little guy. Oh my goodness, boy did we ever. Thank you guys for participating and for those good suggestions. So I put the top 4 as part of a poll on a YouTube post. And the winner is Super Glue. Hey Super Glue, how you doing? Look at that. It's perfect. Perfect little youngster. Good job, Super Glue. Beautiful. Beautiful, feisty, good bird. Yes, indeed. Happy we saved that one. That one is probably going to be available for transfer. Yep. Yes, oh yes. This has been one of my most consistent pairs. 836 and the Cuevas hen. Here we've got Cup of Joe. And that's Cup of Joe's youngster right there. Let's take a look at him. This guy will also be available for transfer. And so will those eggs when they hatch, those youngsters. It's like, where's my nest box front? I'll put it back up for you. I'll put it back up for you. There you go, buddy. Go back. Here's a beautiful, beautiful dark check. Really like the way he's colored. Light gray transitions on his chest. I mean, compare him to 278. 278 is just kind of a little more uniform coloring throughout. Get back in there. Get on those eggs. Keep them toasty warm. Shipping a few of these late hatches off to new owners. We got some beauties here, I'll tell you that. Yes, yes, yes. Represent Robertson Family Racing Pigeons as well, guys.